Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tiffany. Tiffany. It's your girl, Cassidy Coles. And today is the third costume from my DIY series for Halloween, giving you guys some ideas for what your Halloween costume should be. And plus, I have the most fun making these, so like even if you don't want Halloween costume ideas, I'm still gonna make these. And today we are doing the Bride of Chucky, the iconic Tiffany. And I show you exactly how I put together this look, how I did my makeup, my hair. So I hope you guys all enjoy and keep on watching. So we are back to the realm of Halloween horror characters, and this one has been on my list for quite a while and I'm so excited to try it out. So what I got for this look is this simple and basic black dress. Hers has like a corset style feel to it, so I did get a corset on top of it. Also, Tiffany's boobs are like pushed up the most, and the corset really does magical things for pushing up elements. And then of course I have the Chucky heart tattoos to put over my chest. And then we have her black little necklace, which the closest thing I could find to that was some like Star of David devil kind of necklace. So I do feel a little weird wearing this, but I'm gonna take it off immediately. And then she does have like this black little headpiece, but I thought that I could just use the black lace from my Jennifer's Body look and just put a little bit of black lace here. I think that'd be super cute. And since I am recreating the scene of the voodoo kind of aspect, I have a few other things too. So first off, the little star of like sand or whatever, I'm just gonna be using dirt from outside. It's fine. And then we also have these candles because she has some candles all around her. So I got 3 to place and then I got 1 to hold because she's holding one. I got them from Hobby Lobby. And then she's also holding the Voodoo for Dummies book. I didn't think about even getting that. Like I said, I'm prepared, but to a point, you know? I just put some printer paper over this book and wrote Voodoo for Dummies. It's not that bad, and if it looks absolutely horrible on the camera, I'm just going to try to Photoshop it in, but it'll do. It'll do, guys. Voodoo for Dummies. What? This is my book. I got it from Barnes & Noble. Well, this is the limited edition version, so. Okay, let's get started with the hair and makeup, fixing whatever this is. So I'm going to be working on the makeup portion first. I'm basing it mainly off of this. She has a lot of black eyeliner underneath, like where her waterline is, a little bit on the lid, and then she does have a lot of purple eyeshadow, and then she kind of has like a pinkish red purpley lip. All of those colors she has. I know a lot of people do Bride of Chucky and they do like a black lipstick, and I don't want to do that. I also don't have black lipstick. Bringing out the James Charles palette. I'm going to be using this one, probably a little bit of this one, maybe this one. Just these 3. I'm gonna see where the makeup takes me. And then eyebrows are gonna be like a very, very dark brown, close to black. She also has a lot of blush on. And like always, starting out with just the normal foundation. I already primed my face. Cheers to the third look of the spooky season. All of this has been extremely easy so far. When you believe you are this character, you just transform into this character. And next we are going into the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go with the flow. If it's messy, and that's just going to be my vibe. Do whatever makes you happy, you know? Freckle time. It's freckle time. Just right there. Literally right there. Just do it. Okay. I just gotta like fill it in, like liquid, but that might like botch it all. Okay. Honestly, not bad. It's fine. Everything is fine. I don't know what else I could have done different. Does that look right? I'm heating up my curling iron. I am a little worried for the hair, but I have faith. And then quickly I'm going to line my lips and just do a little bit of lipstick just to see how it's going to look. But by the time oh God, okay, that's literally fine. I wanted it to do that. And for lipstick, I have a couple of them. I might just like mix the most and just see what looks okay. I don't like that. I'm just gonna say it, I don't like that. Okay. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Let's work on the hair. The hair is very, very important. I'm going to be following what her part is and not what my usual one is. Okay, so I'm sectioning a side part. I think that's good. We're gonna get the pony and the bun in place, and then we're gonna start like curling it, fixing it, and getting how it has like that little up to the side. Just get a super, super high pony. Let me see. I don't know. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna curl this piece. And you wanna curl it under because you want that like flip. Oh my God, yeah. You want this flip. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna curl just this one side piece. No, I'm not talking about my side piece. I'm just kidding. I don't even have a side piece. It's fine. This is actually turning out already a lot better than I thought. Oh my God. Perfect. Moving on to this side. First to the closest part of my bangs. Perfect. And then we're gonna be like tucking it behind right here. I think the bun is the only thing I need to really work on. Move these pieces and then clip it. I kind of want to redo the bun. I'm just not the happiest with it. I don't know how. It looked too frazzled. I don't want it to look that frazzled. Something like that. I'm not worried. I may be struggling, but I'm not worried. Okay, hear me out. This, and then flip it around and do a little bit of that. Yeah, okay. I'm actually not mad about this. Let me see. Let me see. Huh, I kind of like it. Ugh, God. I think adding this lace will really help the look. I just cut off about like this much. Bobby pin it down. Let me like curl these little pieces. Hairspray is my setting spray today. Honestly, I effing love it. So I'm gonna go dig. I'm gonna hunt and gather some dirt. I have my dirt. There's a crap ton of rocks in here. Ew, and some hair. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see that. I'm gonna have to move my whole ass desk, my nightstand, because I think I'm gonna do it in this corner. Okay. Oh, okay. How about let's count how many things are gonna fall. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to vacuum because there's just a lot of dirt underneath where my desk was. You know what, I'm not a dirty person, and every time I vacuum, I'm not going to move all my furniture and vacuum underneath them. Who does that? I have my own. Okay. I am actually dying right now. I am so hot. I just had to roll up my sweats. I could easily put on some shorts, but It's not what I'm gonna do.
I want my Chucky baby. Chucky, my baby.
I can't do the voice. Oh my God. Guys, there's so many rocks. I'm gonna have to clean all this dirt up. Okay. Okay, and then a star. Okay, that is fine. Chip is like, what are you doing? I like it. So here's the dress, and now we have the corset. You bring the corsets, we'll bring the cinches. No one wants the waist under over 9 inches. Right there. And now we cinch. Now we cinch. Oh, look at that. So this is who I am today. Oh my God, the lift. Wow. So now we need Chucky, the Chucky tattoo, and go. How did the people do when corsets were like part of the daily outfit? Woo! It is so good. And now we have the necklace. This is a little too long. I'll just have to like wear it like that. This is the look. This is the look. Limited edition Voodoo for Dummies book. I'm gonna have to Photoshop something in because this is bad. And if you guys actually want to wear this out, just pair it with some black heels and you are good to go. This is like a full-on costume right here. I mean, okay, I finished all the pictures. The amount of wax, hot burning wax, I just accidentally spilled on myself and all over my floor. Here it is. That's it. My hands are all waxy, my legs are all waxy. The amount of hairspray in my hair, I cannot wait to shower. So here is the finished product.
This night, you gotta find that nightmares do come true. Where we'll find you.
You guys all love this look. This is my third look for the spooky season series, and stay tuned because I have a ton more looks left. And if you guys have any looks that you want me to test out, comment them down below because we still have time. I could still order more things, so give me some ideas down there. And please give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post every single week. And have a great rest of your spooky season, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!
Cassidy Foles. What's up, guys? I'll do another bikini haul, just you gotta wait. Right now I'm just gonna do what I like.